Welcome to our exploration of the ketogenic or keto diet, a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that's gaining popularity for its potential health benefits. Unlike typical diets, keto shifts your body into a state called ketosis, where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This shift not only affects your energy levels, but may also influence your health in several significant ways. Keto is not merely about cutting carbs, but about replacing those carbs with fats. This change pushes your body to use a different type of fuel. Usually, our bodies are primed to use sugar as their main fuel source, which we get from eating carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet challenges this norm, compelling the body to resort to stored fat. Understanding the basics of keto is essential before diving into this diet. It's more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle change that requires commitment and understanding. This section laid out the groundwork for what keto is, setting the stage for a deeper dive into how it works and why it's beneficial for many. Keto works by altering the way your metabolism operates. When you drastically lower your carbohydrate intake and increase your fat intake, your body enters a metabolic state known as ketosis. Here, your liver begins to break down fats into molecules called ketones, which serve as an alternate energy source for your body. The process of entering ketosis is not immediate. It usually takes a few days of following the strict keto regimen before your body fully transitions. This period can vary among individuals based on factors like physical activity level and overall metabolism. Consistency is crucial to maintain ketosis and reap the benefits of the diet. Achieving ketosis requires precise management of your food intake, which can be a challenge. It's not as simple as cutting carbs. It involves balancing your meals with the right amounts of fats, proteins, and carbs. Understanding this balance is key to successfully implementing and sustaining a ketogenic lifestyle. One of the most touted benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. By using fat as a primary energy source, your body becomes more efficient at burning stored fat. This can lead to significant weight reduction and improvements in body composition. It's a reason many people turn to keto initially. Beyond weight loss, the ketogenic diet has been linked to a reduction in blood sugar and insulin levels, which is particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Some studies suggest that keto can improve insulin sensitivity by as much as 75%. This is crucial for long-term metabolic health. Additionally, many people report increased energy and improved mental clarity on the diet. This is likely due to the steady supply of energy from ketones, which, unlike fluctuating glucose levels, do not cause spikes and crashes. The potential neurological benefits are promising, with ongoing research into how keto may positively affect conditions like Alzheimer's and epilepsy. Starting a keto diet can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. The first step is to clear your pantry of high-carb foods that are not keto-friendly. This includes items like pasta, bread, sugary snacks, and cereals. Removing these temptations makes sticking to a keto regimen much easier. Next, it's crucial to plan your meals. Planning helps prevent situations where you might be tempted to stray from your diet due to lack of available keto-friendly options. Think about what you'll eat for each meal, including snacks, and make sure you have all the necessary ingredients for the week ahead. Hydration and electrolyte balance are also important when starting keto. As your body shifts into ketosis, it releases more water, which can lead to dehydration if not managed. Make sure you drink plenty of water and consider supplementing with electrolytes to maintain healthy levels in your body. When you're on a keto diet, your meal plan will look significantly different from a typical diet. Focus on high-fat, low-carb foods to maintain ketosis. Some staples include fatty cuts of meat, leafy greens, above-ground vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, full-fat dairy products, nuts, and seeds. Healthy oils, such as coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil, are essential in a keto kitchen. They can be used in cooking or as dressings for salads. These oils help boost your fat intake while providing essential fatty acids that support overall health. Seafood, particularly fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, is also highly recommended on the keto diet. These fish are not only low in carbs but high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. To maintain ketosis, it's crucial to avoid foods high in carbohydrates. This includes obvious choices like sugary foods and drinks, but also less obvious ones like grains, starches, and fruits. While fruits are generally healthy, Most contain high levels of sugar that can disrupt ketosis. Starchy vegetables such as potatoes, yams, and other root vegetables should also be limited. Although they are nutritious, their high carb count can interfere with the metabolic state you're aiming for in keto. Instead, focus on vegetables that grow above ground, which tend to be lower in carbs. Beware of low-fat or diet products that often contain hidden sugars and starches. These can be misleading, as they might promote themselves as being healthy, but are contrary to keto objectives. Always read labels carefully to ensure there are no hidden carbs in your food. One common mistake for beginners is not consuming enough fat. Since fat replaces carbs as the primary energy source on keto, it's important to increase your fat intake appropriately. Not doing so can lead to hunger and fatigue, making it harder to stick with the diet. Another error is not preparing for the keto flu. This term describes the flu-like symptoms that can occur as your body adjusts to ketosis. To mitigate these effects, stay hydrated, maintain your electrolyte balance, and ensure you're eating enough fat and calories to support your energy needs. Lastly, many underestimate the importance of vegetable intake. While it's essential to avoid certain carbs, vegetables are crucial for providing fiber and nutrients. Ensure you include a variety of keto-friendly vegetables in your diet to keep your digestive system healthy and to provide essential vitamins and minerals. Staying committed to the keto diet requires planning and discipline. One helpful strategy is to use a food tracking app. These apps can help you monitor your carb, fat, and protein intake, ensuring you stay within the ketogenic guidelines. This can be especially useful in the beginning stages of the diet. Another tip is to connect with a community of fellow keto dieters. Whether online or in person, interacting with others who are also following keto can provide support, inspiration, and a wealth of shared knowledge. Sometimes, just knowing you're not alone in your dietary changes can make all the difference. Finally, allow yourself some flexibility. If you slip up, don't get discouraged. Everyone has moments of weakness. What's important is to acknowledge it, learn from it, and continue your journey without being too hard on yourself. Persistence is key to long-term success. There are several misconceptions about the keto diet that can create confusion. One common myth is that the more ketones you produce, the better. However, the goal is to reach a balanced state of ketosis, not to maximize ketone production. Excessive ketones can actually be harmful. Another myth is that keto is all about consuming large amounts of protein. In reality, keto focuses more on fat intake than protein. Too much protein can lead to gluconeogenesis, where the body converts protein into glucose, potentially knocking you out of ketosis. It's also believed that keto results in nutrient deficiencies. While it's true that restricting certain food groups can limit nutrient intake, a well-planned keto diet can cover all nutritional bases. It's important to choose a variety of foods to ensure a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals. Embarking on the keto journey can be transformative, but like any significant lifestyle change, it comes with its challenges. Remember, the key to success on the ketogenic diet is understanding, preparation, and commitment. With the right mindset and tools, anyone can achieve their health goals through keto. For beginners, take it one step at a time. Start by understanding the basics, gradually adjust your eating habits, and be mindful of the common pitfalls. Don't hesitate to seek support from the keto community or a healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. As you move forward, keep in mind that each person's body reacts differently to dietary changes. What works for one might not work for another. Stay patient, be open to adjusting your approach, and celebrate small victories along the way. Here's to your health and success on the keto journey.